In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 10. Keeping your browser up to date is essential, not only to enjoy the latest features, but also to ensure your device stays secure with the most recent fixes and improvements. Let's walk through this step by step in a clear and easy way. Method 1. Update through Edge settings first. Open your Microsoft Edge browser. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see three dots. That's the menu button. Click on it. From the drop-down list, scroll down and select Settings. Now, look at the left-hand panel and click on About Microsoft Edge. Alternatively, you can simply type edge/settings/help directly into the address bar. It will take you straight to the same page. Once you're on the About page, Edge will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will start downloading right away. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during this process so the update installs properly. When the download finishes, you'll see a prompt asking you to restart the browser. Click Restart, and Edge will close and reopen with the latest version installed. Method 2. Use Microsoft's official installer. Optional. If, for some reason, Edge doesn't update through the settings menu, there's an alternative method. Go to microsoft.com/edge in any browser. Once there, click the button that says Download for Windows 10. After the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the on-screen steps. This will automatically update your current version of Edge to the latest one. And don't worry, it won't delete your bookmarks, save passwords, or settings. And that's it. You've now successfully updated Microsoft Edge on your Windows 10 PC. Keeping your browser up to date ensures better security, smoother performance, and access to the newest features Microsoft has to offer. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your software updated regularly for a safer, faster online experience.